Life is a trap, and it's so easy to get off track. This Kundalini Yoga set optimizes every system and brings about a beautiful balance that works on things that regular workouts don't. The adrenals, the lymphatic system, replenishing inner organs, as well as spirit rising.
And hold your knees and circle your stomach around. Our navel is the master key for being the center of our own life, rather than defining ourselves by someone else's orbit. Let's be strong in our own.
Drifting, and the day starts coming, coloring, wondering, eyes, our minds are running, shifting, in the garden humming, and the roots are tangling, our hearts are butterflies. I'm 7 miles high, up here I don't get.
And go the other way, reverse. And inhale, come center, relax the breath and meditate for a moment. Please come standing. Draw backward circles with your elbows to get your shoulders and chest opened up and warmed up. Now relax, arms by your sides. Inhale. Exhale, bring your hands towards your feet, rounding your upper spine. And continue inhaling up, stacking ankles, hips, shoulders, ears, and exhaling down like a slow motion dive towards your feet. Don't go too far. Go only so far as gravity will allow. Now inhale, relax the breath, and meditate for a moment. And interlace your hands with your index fingers extended. Angle to the left, long deep breathing. Then relax and do the other side. Long deep breathing. So inhale, relax and meditate for a moment. Interlace your hands again with your index fingers extended, arms straight up, and rotate your upper body to the right. Hinge at the hips. This one is amazing for your liver. If you do this 11 minutes a day, your liver will love you for life. Now inhale, center, relax, and meditate for a moment. And feet hip width, feet angled out. Raise your arms to 60 degrees, index fingers and thumb tips meeting. Inhale, exhale as you bend your knees. Continue inhaling up and exhaling down. Gaze straight, knees tracking over second toes. Tailbone weighted straight down. Now inhale up, relax the breath, lower your arms, kick your feet in, and meditate. Now sit on your heels, have your thumbs at the base of your little fingers, and make fists around your thumbs. Begin an alternate punching motion. As your hand comes forward and opens, and as it draws back, it closes. Do this quickly so that the breath becomes a breath of fire. Feel like you're drawing blessings into your life. This adjusts the spine, massages the liver, and flushes the lymphatic system. It helps to turn anger into determination and inspiration. Now inhale, press both elbows back, and relax the breath and meditate. Come onto your stomach and face your face left and relax. May you live the way you practice, and may you practice with grit, grace, exactitude, creativity, spirit, and depth of soul. And sit back on your heels and stretch. And now sit on your heels and inhale, rise up and open your arms and embrace the sky. exhale down. Continue inhaling up, exhaling down. Eyes open as you go up, close as you go down. As you rise, feel your navel drawing in and the bend under your shoulder blades as you lift your sternum to the sky. And relax and sit up on your heels and meditate. And raise your arms straight up, palms facing forward. As you inhale, draw your arms slightly back. Exhale forward and continue. Breathe powerfully. Careful not to go too far back. This one works on the upper cervical vertebra as well as the heart and lungs. Now inhale, arms straight up and relax and sit on your heels and meditate.
Hope you're feeling stress-free and very zen.
Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this. And also, please visit us at raviana.com, where you can sign up for our free monthly newsletter and also take advantage of our 7-day free trial. You can try all our streams if you're ready and you are to go deeper into your practice. See you soon.